Hi, I am Tushar Bose. I am the program chair of Bachelor's in Civil Engineering program at CEPT University. I've been working at CEPT since last 15 years. As our cities expand and the technologies like artificial intelligence disrupt the field of civil engineering and the focus is on building sustainably, the program of Bachelor's in Civil Engineering at CEPT University equips students to adapt to this changing dynamic of the civil engineering domain. Our engineering program is the only program across India that engages students with a studio based pedagogy. Studios are academic units in which students work in small groups and engage in lifelike problems. Our studios deal with problems like designing specialized concrete like ultra high performance concrete or even translucent and bulletproof concrete. In another studio, students engage with steel structures and design structures for railway platforms or RCC structures for concert halls. Other problems which students engage with are designing services for at a building level or infrastructure like roads, water supply and sewerage system at a city level. Our programs also ensure that students get professional exposure. This is done through professional training in which students engage with industry for a period of 6 months. There's also a component of direct research project in which students work with industry on research problems. Then there's also a component of international exposure wherein students go to international universities for a period of 6 months. We at CEPT also have a summer winter school in which students can go for exposure visits during the semester breaks. If you want to make a meaningful contribution in civil engineering, I would like to invite you to join a community of 1500 plus professionals who are making an impact in civil engineering across India and abroad.